Okay, today I want to talk about organizing other people's things. So, the most important thing to remember is that no matter what somebody else in your household is doing, it's most important to organize your own things. So, if you have a baby, yes, of course, go in and organize their things. If you have someone who's incapacitated and can't speak and can't act on behalf of themselves, of course, take care of their things. But anyone who's capable of hearing you speak and speaking their own minds, it's worth just talking to them about what you're doing. So if you want to get organized, organize your own stuff. If you're going to work on a communal area, your family's things that a place where your husband or your children have things, talk to them first, explain to them, why are you organizing? Why is this important to you? How does it affect you and your relationship with them? And then work on your own things first. Get that done. See if it motivates them, because honestly, it is amazing how your own organizing can influence other people. So my husband has just spontaneously started organizing his stuff. And every time I tell him how sexy it is, because it is. I get so excited every time he lets go of something that he doesn't need or want or is dirty or gross or whatever. But if I had gone in and just started organizing his things willy-nilly and being disrespectful about it, I bet he wouldn't be at this place where he is today. And he even asks for my help sometimes. So, tip for the day, start with your own things and be honest and open about why you're organizing, why it's important to you. So, happy organizing. Bye-bye.